Welcome to our comparison of two popular compact washing machines, the WonderWash and the Erivess. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, pros and cons, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. Let's get started. The WonderWash operates manually, requiring no electricity, making it a great eco-friendly option. In contrast, the Erivess is an electric model that offers the convenience of automated washing and spinning cycles, ideal for users who prefer a hands-off approach. When it comes to capacity, the WonderWash can handle up to 5 pounds of laundry per wash, making it suitable for small loads. On the other hand, the Erivess boasts a much larger capacity of 20 pounds for washing and 12 pounds for spinning, making it a better choice for larger households or those with more laundry to do. The WonderWash is designed to be highly portable, weighing only 5 pounds and compact enough to fit in small spaces. In contrast, the Erivess, while still compact, is heavier and larger, making it less portable but more functional for regular use in a fixed location. In conclusion, the choice between the WonderWash and the Erivess depends on your specific laundry needs. If you prioritize portability and an eco-friendly option, the WonderWash is the way to go. However, if you need a larger capacity and the convenience of electric operation, the Erivess is your best bet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.